is everybody doing? Good. Welcome to Cooking with Miss Jonesy. Guys, are you ready for this turkey video? Come on in the kitchen. So we're back, bam. So how's everybody doing? Good. Guys, I am sorry I cannot get the video to show my face. But we have some nice turkey wings, right? Now this recipe that I'm going to bring you, guys, you can use it on a whole turkey, whatever, right? But the key to it is baking it, right? And I just want to show you guys that you can create this at home, right? So if you're new to the channel, thank you. And if you're a long-time rider, I appreciate you even more. So if you're not part of the family, hit that subscribe button and come on in and join your girl. And let's get cooking. So today what we have is the smoked turkey. Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna season it. Now, most people may not use olive oil, but I do, because it helps coat the seasoning, right? Onto your delicious turkey recipe. Now the second thing I'm gonna do is add my seasonings, right? I wanna put enough on here so that every piece of this meat gets seasoned. Now, I don't use too much salt seasoning, but by the way, this is the carabine seasoning by what is it? I can't think, you guys. But anyway, because I'm trying to get this video did while the baby is asleep. And for all you know, you guys that know, I do have a granddaughter. And right now we're at, how to say, peace, okay? So I'm going to turn this oven on to bake. And I'm going to put it on approximately 360. Okay. So let me wipe my hands. Now the key to making tender turkey wings, or even just turkey. Okay, now I have a little salt-free, and it's like Dash. It's made by Stone Mile. Yeah, Stone Mile. And it's just like Dash, because I have to watch a lot of my salt intake. Okay, so this is salt-free. And so I want to use as much as I think it needs, okay? Because I'm not good at giving you guys measurements. But we have some onion powder, right? But I'm also going to use fresh onions, okay? And we did the black pepper. Now, the key to it is we're going to use a little meat tenderizer. That's enough, right? So, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to season this meat up. You guys, I'm going to season this meat up. And rub it and get it all over this meat, right? These are some good, meaty turkey wings. Some good meaty turkey wings. Get in there and give it some love, right? The other day I had made something. I forgot what it was, but my daughter, you know what? It was meatballs and pasta. Hadn't had it in a long time. And my daughter said, because I used the patini noodles, and she said, Mama, that is so good. And she said, what did you put in it? I said, a lot of love. You know, a lot of love to your meal would be so delicious, right? So, I know some of you guys is saying, well, you got nails and, you know, and all of that. And I do. And I do. And it's not gonna hurt anything. But I'm not cooking for the community. I'm cooking for my household. So let me rinse my hands off. Let me slide this over and bring in my pan, you guys. So, let's get this little pot out the way. I always keep my little pot on the stove. Don't ask me why. It's just a old way of doing things, right? So, we got our drum leg in here, right? And we're gonna put the other one this way because I wanna make sure that everything has room to cook, right? Can you guys see it? Okay, now, we have a little juice in here, right? And I'm just gonna take my onions and peppers and I'm gonna just swing them around in this juice. Just like that. I'm gonna swing them around in this juice. And I'm going to put these onions all around my turkey, right? So are you following? Okay? Now I'm giving you the best recipe that you can use on the holidays, any night of the week, just anything. Anytime that you are in the mood for, turkey. Now, hold on. Let me make sure that I got everything. Okay, guys. So it came to my mind. I forgot the poultry seasoning. Now, poultry seasoning is not just for dressing, but I put a little bit on there, right? Because I want this to smell like the holidays, because I'm getting ready, y'all. I'm warming up. So yeah, you can use this recipe on a whole turkey or whatever, right? And you could thank me later for some juicy turkey, okay? So let's clean up my pan because I don't want it to burn around here. And I'm just going to slide this in the oven. Now, most would say, well, what about your juices? I'm not putting any juices on here until I get ready to make my turkey gravy. Fam, I forgot to say that bake your turkey on 350 to 360, okay? And you want to look for golden brownness as well as close to doneness. And then at that point, that's when you add your gravy, as you will see. So fam, we are back. So as you guys can see, I have baked the turkey, right? So I'm going to make some simple gravy because I found this pack. I forgot we had a couple of packs of it. But when you use this pack, you always add 1 cup of water. You can go over a little bit of 1 cup of water, but make sure you add a little cornstarch, right, for thickness. And as you can tell, I have already started. Okay, so this is gonna make some simple, quick, and easy gravy. Now, if you want to make your own gravy, make sure that you put water with your turkey, which I didn't because I just wanted the flavor of the gravy from the package, right? After I found it, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, let's open up. As soon as I open up this black pepper, because it want to give me a little trouble, right? So put some black pepper in the gravy. You're gonna add whatever spices you want around your house. I'm gonna use a little Cajun just to give it that in it. And I'm gonna put some seasoning by Sassoon, whatever, okay? Just add your seasoning, which ones you like. Okay, and I'm gonna whip this up again to get that seasoning all up in here. And we're gonna pour it, because all that goodness at the bottom is gonna make really good gravy. Now you could use this recipe. I'm gonna add a little more water in there, just to be on the safe side. Make sure you're using cold water, you guys. Cold water. Just like that. We're gonna let that float. My onions is a little dark, but it's okay. You know, especially if you like your onions on your rice, because I got some rice back here that's cooking, that's gonna go with this meal. I'm not finished. So yes, let's lift up our meat to get the gravy all up under it. Uh-oh. And we're gonna flip it over and let it do its thing, because I don't want it to get any more browner on this side. We're working on the other side now. Yes, that meat is tender. Who loves turkey? Every time it gets to the holiday season, you gotta have a little piece of turkey to get you pumped up for the holiday, right? So we're gonna slide that back in the oven for approximately an extra 30 minutes or less. Okay guys, we are back. So look, check out my delicious gravy, turkey and gravy. You guys check it out. Look at that gravy. Now that's what you want. Got the bell peppers and onions on it. If you like this video, thumbs me up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. What are you waiting for? You guys, this makes a great, delicious Sunday meal or even a holiday meal. But anywho, any night of the week will do. Okay? So we got some buttered cornbread to go with this meal right here. And I also have some green beans. Let me move this slightly over. I also have some green beans. These pans are hot. Okay. Let me show you my green beans. It is really heavy, you guys. Okay. So we got some delicious green beans right there. I sauteed with some butter, put me some seasoning after rinsing 2 cans of French style green beans. Now, what green beans is your favorite? I used to love just the fresh and whole green beans in a can. And, you know, also the fresh pick. But now I find myself to like the French cut. So, yeah. Take your 2 cans, rinse them off, you guys, and add your own seasoning. Hey, you'll be surprised. Less sodium intake. But anywho, you guys, this is a healthy recipe that you will love to feed your family with. And yes, it's an affordable meal. Let's not think about how nutrition it is for the body. Okay, so this is a nutritionist meal. And we, like I said, we have some rice. I guess you guys can see. Let me move you a little bit. There goes some rice right there. Now, I does not put anything too much on my rice because the family don't like it, right? But anywho, you guys, check out other videos and welcome to my cooking show, because you never know what I'm gonna cook up. And I want to say Happy Sunday. But it'll be Monday when you get this video. I'll see you guys soon. And sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.